Hey boys and girls, and welcome to Writing. Yesterday we talked about how to put feeling and how to add the middle of our writing story. We talked about who, what, when, where, why, and how within our story. So today what we're going to do is we're going to be writing the ending of our story. At the end of our story, we have to kind of wrap it up. If there was a problem, you add a solution, and if there was any actions a character does, or transition words like last, or finally, or in the end. So what we're going to do is I am going to get out my writing notebook, and I am going to share with you on the screen my ladybug, and we're going to discuss a way that you could end your story. So, I'm going to reread my story so that way I know exactly what I've written so far. My family and I went to see my aunts and uncles in Summerville, Georgia. We go every year during the summer. While we are there, we go horseback riding and have so much fun. Also, we enjoy talking for hours because we don't see each other often. Before we leave, we always have a big dinner together. They are the best cooks. I need to think of a way to end my story, kind of wrap it all up. So I'm thinking about, what do we do before we leave? We hug, and we say goodbye, and we make sure we have each other's updated phone numbers, things like that, just to make sure that we can stay in contact. So in the end, I need to make sure I kind of wrap it all up with as much information as possible. So I'm going to use the word finally. Finally, before we leave, we give big hugs and say goodbye. We say goodbye. My family got back in the car to head home until next time. Period. So now I have my whole beginning, middle, and end. I made sure I used a transition word, and I skipped lines in between, so that way when I go back to edit, I will have plenty of room if needed. So, today on your own, you're going to go back through and put transition words, last, finally, in the end, conclusion. You're going to write your ending to your story, and then you're going to go on to your writing must do and post a picture of your completed story for today. I cannot wait to hear and read your stories. Go ahead and begin working.